Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we'll be taking a look at what is most likely the cheapest Nokia 6760 Slide or Nokia 6790 Surge on eBay. And I got it for the price on screen here, as you can see, and I went for the buy it now instead of waiting for the auction. And regardless, the buy it now price was a total of roughly $17, which is a steal compared to how much these things usually go for on eBay, which is usually over $80 to $90 and even in the hundreds, to be honest. So at $17, I didn't really have to wait for the auction and try and get it any cheaper. I just went for the buy it now, and let's jump in and actually find out whether this is actually a 6760 or 6790, because they are identical phones. So this is most possibly the cheapest Nokia 6760 or 6790 on eBay here in 2023. And as always, before jumping right in, don't forget to smash that like button down below, as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, if you have any questions or comments regarding the content of this video or the subject of this video, don't forget to leave them down in the comment section below. We can start a discussion or I can answer your questions. My social media is also linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. And now let's jump right into this video. Now earlier I said it's gonna be either the 6760 Slide or 6790 Surge, and I'm leaning towards it being more of a 6760 Slide because if you saw in the picture earlier, the original listing, it had yellow accents on the keyboard, which is most likely it being a 6760 Slide, as the 6760 had yellow accents on the keyboard while the 6790 had gray accents on the keyboard, but it wasn't mentioned in the original listing. The differences being the 6760 is slightly better than the 6790 in terms of internals. It has a better camera. It's 3.15 versus 2, and it has a better battery life as well, and a few other differences. Apart from that, they're exactly the same. They're identical. They look exactly the same from the outside, apart from the color that I already mentioned. And yeah, they're basically identical phones. They were released on the same day as well. So I still haven't opened this, and I'm opening it now. And just like the picture showed, this thing is in immaculate shape. Holy, this thing is basically brand new. The rubber hasn't started to get sticky at the back. Was this thing ever used? I don't think so, unless it was used really carefully in a case. And this is not a refurb, because they do not refurb these phones. They're quite rare to begin with, and they never made it to China, because I believe this was a US only model, this one being a TracFone one. As you can see there, the TracFone logo. And even if they do refurbish them, they'll never put a TracFone logo, of all things, on the refurb. So let's see if this thing actually powers on. But damn, that was a really good deal. Look at this thing. It's in immaculate shape. It's basically brand new. Here's the power button here. Let's press it and see. Nope, nothing on the power button. And I think this uses a BP4L. I just brought another BP4L, which I know is charged. This is from my white Nokia N91. Let's just go ahead and swap the battery. Yep, it is a BP4L, as you can see there. Let me show you the inside of the thing by covering all the information there. Hold up. That's kind of hard. There we go. Nokia model 6790. Okay, so it's a 6790, but it has the yellow accents. That's weird. But whatever. RM599, made in Mexico, TracFone wireless, and yeah, it has the yellow accents. That's a bit strange, but regardless, let me go put a SIM in. And by the way, you saw that sticker. That does not look like a refurb sticker. If you know refurbished phones, you know that the stickers are a bit different. The font is wrong. So let's press that power button, and does it work? It vibrated. Screen is on. Come on. Oh, okay, that's good. Signs of life. You can do it. Come on. Let's see if it powers all the way on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, it works. And when you slide the keyboard in, the screen goes back to portrait mode. I don't remember, these things are not touchscreen phones, right? I've probably forgotten at this point. Yeah, these are not touchscreen phones. Some steps in setup, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, these were not touchscreen phones, but yeah, this thing works fine. And I got it all for just $17. These things go for much more than $17. Definitely the deal of the year here on this channel, just for $17. It doesn't matter if it's the 6760 or the 90, they both of them go for quite high prices on eBay, and everything seems to work fine on this thing. Yeah, it works. There's nothing wrong with it that I can see. Sure, it may have like SIM card, it may have the fact that it's not going to work on a network again, but the camera works. Let's take a photo. There you go. The camera works. It doesn't have a front-facing camera. So all these buttons here, let's go back. That's the media button over there, or the menu button ish. We have email or messaging, that's messaging, and we have that button as well to go straight to the web. This phone, it doesn't look like a refurb because it doesn't have the Chinese stickers and the odd looking refurb sticker at the back, the ID sticker. So it's definitely not a refurb, and the TracFone logo is a dead giveaway that it's not a refurb, but I don't think it was ever used. It was just left in a drawer or something and just sat there for years. Yeah, this phone doesn't look used at all, and the battery, it looks basically brand new, as you can see there. And this is an original Nokia battery. Yeah, makes no sense to me. Let me know down in the comment section what you think this phone was doing for the last, 10 years or whenever. I think, as I remember, this thing was released around 2009. Yeah, around July of 2009-ish, when I was reading about this phone just a few days ago. So yeah, July of 2009. So yeah, for the last almost 14 years, what was this phone doing? Let me know down in the comment section below what you think this phone was doing, because as you can see, it's in immaculate shape. Yeah, it's been sitting on something. Look at that mark. There's a mark at the back that kind of burned into the back. I don't know if you can see that under the sunlight. Yeah, it's coming up on camera, that mark. So it's been sitting on something. So yeah, maybe this was actually a phone that someone bought and never used. But for that price, this is easily the deal of the year on this channel. You cannot get these phones for this cheap. They're usually much more expensive. Even the Chrome is still good on this thing. That's impressive. For $17, I am really happy that I did not wait for that auction and just downright bought it. And there was a bit of shipping as well included in that price. Doesn't matter. That's what I call a deal. So yeah, definitely worth the money on that. So I just paused the video there for a bit and went and had a look at some stuff on eBay, and apart from the prices, there are a few 6790s and also on Google with this yellow bunch of accents on the keyboard. So it's not just the 6760s. I thought for a long time that only this yellow accent stuff was on the 6760s, but no, there are some 6790s that have this as well. And the TracFone logo was of course only on TracFone devices, and none of the again, I thought for a minute that there aren't many refurbs of these out, but there are a lot of refurb 6760s, but there aren't a lot of refurb, or I think no refurbs for the 6790. So 6760 refurbs and no 6790 refurbs. So there's a high chance that this is not a refurb. And also the TracFone logo plus the sticker not being completely a dead giveaway. The sticker on the inside, it looks an original Nokia sticker, and no warranty stickers on the screws, those Chinese small red warranty stickers. I can safely say this is not a refurb, just a phone that was probably never used. So a very good deal in my opinion. So let me know down in the comment section what you think of this phone. Do you have one of these in your collection or whatever? We can start a discussion down below about it. But yeah, I'm very happy I got this just for $17-ish, and instead of paying a huge amount for what usually these things go for. So as usual, if you enjoyed this video, this was just a quick video to showcase this phone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to smash that like button down below and stay tuned for an upcoming set of videos on this phone. Definitely will be covering this phone in a few upcoming videos, so definitely stay tuned for that by hitting the subscribe button down below and ringing the bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, my social media is linked down in the description below, which includes Instagram, Discord, and Twitter. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.